Let's understand the term amino acid. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins in the body. They are organic compounds that combine to form proteins, which are essential for growth, repair, and proper functioning of the body. Some amino acids are produced by the body, while others must come from food. Example 1. Proteins in meat, eggs, and beans are rich in essential amino acids. In this sentence, amino acids refer to the important compounds that make up proteins in food. Example 2. Amino acids help repair muscles after exercise. In this sentence, amino acids are described as substances that assist in muscle recovery. Now, let's talk about some words that have a similar meaning. Building blocks, protein components, nutrients. And now, a few words that represent the opposite idea. Non-essential compounds, toxins, in context, harmful substances,